If I were to get a dollar each time I was asked how can one run large language models on CPUs locally, I might have become a millionaire by now. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool which is very easy to install, but the best thing about this tool is that you can run LLMs on CPU with the help of this tool by using Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is yet another easiest tool out there to run large language models locally in a quantized format. Quantized simply means that instead of the full blown model, which are quite big, quite complex, they are shrinked to a size so that it would fit on your either CPU or commodity VRAM on your GPU like 4 GB, 8 GB. But the focus of this video is on CPU only. The tool which I'm referring to is called as Open Web UI. It was formerly called as Ollama Web UI, but it has evolved a lot in the recent months. I already have covered this tool quite extensively on my channel a few months back, and I have been covering it since then. It's quite a good tool. The good thing about this tool is that it just requires a single liner command to get it installed. So you don't have to be a machine learning engineer or even a computer science guru to get it installed. As long as you have a Docker installed on your system, you are good to go, whether it is Windows, whether it is Mac, or whether it is Linux. If you don't know how to install Docker, please search my channel as I already have covered it in step-by-step detailed video. It's very easy to install. So this is the first thing about this tool, that the seamless installation makes it extremely easy to get it installed on your local system. If you're an advanced user and if you want to run your large language models on Kubernetes, like on self-hosted Kubernetes or your EKS, AKS, or GKE, which are the hosted services in the hyperscaler public clouds like Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud, you can even run it over there. Kubernetes is simply a Docker or container orchestration uh, platform, which makes there are a lot of advantages. I have done videos on it, and I'm planning to do more, by the way. Anyway, but the topic is not Kubernetes. Another cool thing is that it effortlessly integrates with OpenAI compatible APIs for versatile conversation alongside Ollama models. And this is not just confined to Ollama, by the way. You can even integrate it with LM Studio, Grok Cloud, Mistral, Open Router, and various other tooling. And I have covered all of them on the channel already. So another cool thing is that you can get it running on your desktop, laptop, mobile devices as long as you have Docker there. Also, for mobile, you can have Progressive Web App or PWA, where you can enjoy a native app like experience on your mobile device with their PWA. Again, all offline, all private. It also supports Markdown and LaTeX, and you can even do hands-free voice and video call with it. You can even create Ollama models with the web UI, and it also supports Python function calling tool, which makes agentic and RAG integration quite possible and easy, which also allows web search, by the way. It also supports image generation with the help of automatic 111 or Comfy UI, but that is a topic for another video. Last but not least, it is evolving quite rapidly, and because the project seems quite committed, as they regularly release updates, fixes, and new features on their repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So that's said and done. Before I show you the installation, let me give a huge thanks to the Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM for this video. I will be using CPU, though I have GPU on this machine for full disclosure, courtesy Mast Compute. If you are looking to rent a GPU or VM on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is the Ubuntu system where I'm going to run it. Now, as I said earlier, you would just need Docker installed. Let me show you my Docker version. And there you have one of the recent versions of Docker installed. And if you are still struggling to install Docker, let me quickly show you couple of commands. So these are all the commands you need to run in your Ubuntu system in order to get the Docker installed. So we are just using apt install to get this Docker prerequisites. We are downloading it, and then we are adding the repo, installing the Docker, and then from there we are giving the permissions to the user, and then displaying the Docker version. This is all you need to install the Docker. As I said, any issues, please search the channel. I already have done a video on it. Okay, so coming back here, let's clear the screen. In order to install this Open WebUI on the CPU with Ollama integration, and you don't even have to install Ollama separately, this command, which is being displayed on your screen, not only install Open WebUI, it also installs Ollama and integrates them together. So once I run it, it is going to download all the images, and then it is going to run it. And it is going to take a bit of a time, so let's wait for it to finish. Shouldn't take too long though. So I think I have made a mistake here. You see that I have specified GPUs all. So it is going to use the GPUs on my system. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press Ctrl C here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this GPUs all, and I will run it for CPU. My apologies for that. So instead of this, let me clear the screen, and I am just going to run it this command. So all I have done is I have removed that GPU section. Okay, so now you see that it says that it is conflicting with an earlier one. So let's clean up. Let me clean up all of this. And also I just thought that maybe I will create a new video, but then I thought I will show you this troubleshooting. It's always a good learning exercise. So this is what I'm doing to stop any running Docker container. And then this system prone A-A, it just cleans up everything, Docker containers, images, volumes, all the network and everything. Let me run it. So it is going to ask you if you want to clean up, just press Y here, and it has deleted the containers and everything else. And you see it occupied just close to 9 gig of space on the system. So make sure that you have that much space. Okay, so let's run it again. So you see this time it is going to download it again. So let's wait for it to finish, and there's no GPU this time, it's all running on CPU. So everything is installed now. Now you can go to your browser and access it on your local host at port 3000. Let me do that. So this is where our Open Web UI is running on our local host. First time you can simply click on this sign up and then simply create a username password. And once you create that, and it just takes you to the first login page, just click okay, let's go from here. And then this is your console where you can do the chatting. You can select the model because it's just installed, there is no model. You can click on plus sign here, you can add model, you can remove models from here. After it is up and running, the first step you would need to do is to go to the top right where your profile name is, click on settings. From here you can select the theme. I always go with the dark, it makes it easy on the eyes. And then you can click on save here. Now click on admin settings. In the admin settings, click on models. In the model you see that this is already pointing to your local Ollama host and IP. If your Ollama is running on some other IP port, you can just simply specify it. Now from here you just need to give your model name and its tag. And how do you do that? You can simply click here. It is going to take you to the Ollama's website. For example, you want to go with this Llama 3.1, you click here, and this is the Llama 3.1. So I'm just going to copy it, go back, paste it here, and then you can simply click on this download icon on the right hand side. It is pulling the manifest file and it is showing you the progress in this bar. So let's wait for it to get finished downloading. Shouldn't take too long. As you can see that it is almost done. So it downloads it, it checks, it verifies its checksum, writes it manifest file just like Ollama. It is running Ollama at the backend. Almost there, and you just have to wait a bit because it is going to show you all the status in this green bar which will pop up. So it is verifying the checksum, and then it is going to confirm it to you that everything is done. So you see that it says that it has been downloaded, success, and now it is writing the manifest file, which is the last step. And this should be done too. That is all done. Now our model is ready. If just in case you want to delete it, you just need to select the model and then click on this dustbin icon on the right hand side. That should delete your model. Now once that's done, you can either go to dashboard, for example. This is your user, and then you can just click on here on the left hand side, and here you can just click on drop down, select the model, and then you can start talking with it, like what is happiness, and then it is going to give you the response. There you go, all running locally, and this is how easy it is to run it. It's all running on CPU. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.